Hello everyone. Today's story is very interesting and its name is Why Can't We Glow Like Fireflies? Have you ever seen the fireflies that glows in the dark? We are so fond of watching them and catching them sometimes. So here is a wonderful story that tells you why can't we glow like fireflies? And do watch the video till the end because you have got some interesting activity in store at last. So let's listen to the story and find out more. Fireflies are small winged insects that glow in the dark. But why do they shine? And what creates this spark within them? They are bright and twinkling like little stars. I wish I could have glowed like them, but I can't. Can anyone tell me why? Imagine a dark, moonless night when you have gone camping with your classmates and you lose your way. What would you do? Will you not try contacting your friends by flashing your torchlight? Yes, of course we can do that. Well, fireflies or lightning bugs, as they are sometimes called, do the same, except that they have an unlimited supply of light within themselves. That is why fireflies never worry about fused light bulbs or electricity tariffs. They seem immensely happy, just flying around and glowing. This is their signal to say, "Hey, look, I'm here." The glow of the firefly is produced by a protein called luciferase and a pigment called luciferin. Proteins are special food used by our bodies to create muscles, bones and skin, while pigments are natural coloring substances found in plants and animals. When these two meet inside the tiny belly of the firefly, they react with the oxygen already found in there. And that is the reason the fireflies glow in the dark and they emit light. A celebration takes place, a soft firework display, so to say, and bright light is produced, which is the glow of the firefly. Fireflies, therefore, are bioluminescent, but they are not the only ones. Different types of fish and marine creatures in the sea also produce their own lights. Did you know this, children? Yes, that's true. The glow of the firefly functions like a light switch and is periodically turned on and off by the insect. It does this by sending a signal message from its brain to the light organ inside its body, that is, its abdomen, and soon the chemical reaction begins and the glow is produced. So this is the working of the firefly light that goes on and off like a switch of the light. The grown-up fireflies use their glow to call out to their mates. In fact, female fireflies prefer flashy males that can blink the longest or at a faster pace. Once they see this special glow, the females respond to it by switching on their own lights. The firefly mates soon meet and baby fireflies get created. The younger fireflies or the larvae, unlike their parents, use their glow mainly to chase predators away. The chemicals within their bodies are toxic and have a horrible taste, so creatures that come to feast on them get put off and go hunting elsewhere for tastier munchies. Okay, well, that is also interesting to know. Fireflies are never actually alone. There are more than 2,000 species of fireflies on this earth. During springtime, especially on dark nights, you may spot a few of them flitting around brightly. Fireflies may be tiny, smaller than your fingers perhaps, but grouped together, these glowing insects can light up an entire garden and all for free. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Yes, it sounds incredible. Amazing facts about fireflies. Fireflies are not flies but beetles. They are often called lightning bugs, but they aren't bugs either. Different species of fireflies glow in different colors that range from yellow to green. Fireflies that flit around in the dark emit a greenish glow, while those found outdoors during twilight give out a yellowish light. There are a few non-vegetarian fireflies that feed on mites and other fireflies. Adult fireflies aren't the only ones that glow. Their eggs and larvae glow as well. If you tap a firefly's egg, it flashes in response to your touch. Fireflies live in all continents except Antarctica. They love tropical climate but also thrive in temperate zones. They flit around forests, meadows and gardens during summer everywhere except in Antarctica that is much too cold for them. Now here is an interesting activity that I was talking about. Do it yourself. Find out what else glows in the dark, both living and non-living. You have to find out and list them. While playing in a group, imagine yourselves as fireflies. Carry a small torch in your hand and make different formations like fireflies. Make a firefly with trash, for example, with a plastic bottle and glow stick. You can also try your own special ideas. So here is a craft activity for you all. And it's amazing to do and create a firefly at home with trash. I hope you liked the activity and the story. Thank you, children. Happy learning.